How to make money online with no money in 2021. You want to make money online but don't know how to do it? Today I will be going to show you 5 legit ways to make money online with no money. Hey guys, Wilson here, and this channel will be sharing all the making money online tips. If you like our content, please like and subscribe our channels and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Okay, let's start our first method. Number 1. YouTube. You no need to purchase a fancy camera or professional skill to record your videos. All you need just a phone to record your first YouTube videos. Before you can earn money from YouTube, you need minimum 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 365 days of your channel. You need to decide what niche you want to focus and build your channel around your niche. Examples: you get into the fitness niche, you maybe record the content all about how to eat healthy, how to train your muscle and other related to the fitness content, so you can easily attract the audience's interest in fitness. If you don't like to show your face in YouTube, you can make a faceless channels like others people. Number 2. Firework. Firework is a two-side online platform for people to buy and sell a variety of digital services typically offered by freelance contractors. Before you start selling a service on Firework, you need to figure out what talent or skill you can provide on Firework. I am sure that every single person have their own talents on something else and good at what they're doing in their job. So you can definitely provide the scam skill on Firework as a side hustle to earn extra money every month. Let's go take a look what service you can provide on Firework. You can offer logo designs, brochure design, and so much service you can offer. If you really want to make money online with low budget or even no money, I think Firework is a good choice for beginners to earn money online. You just copy your talents that you already knew and paste the offer on Firework. Number 3. Amazon. Amazon is one of the largest online shopping platforms in the world. Amazon has so much different ways to earn money, such as Amazon Associates, Amazon APA, and others. So many people will think I don't have any skill, knowledge, and budget. That's impossible for me to work on Amazon. Then they will be afraid and stop to learn how to earn money online on Amazon. Now I tell you, they have one method and you can earn money with low requirement, even no skill required on this method. That's it, Amazon merch. You can sell t-shirts, hoodies, and a lot of other things covering your design. You won't have to pay anything to sell your merchandise on Amazon. Amazon takes responsibility for printing, shipping, packaging, and supporting the customers. All you have to do is create your account, upload your design and price, and write down your description and colors. You get a loyalty on every design that you sell. What's important is you're free to upload and sell product on Amazon. Number 4. Teespring. Teespring is a free platform that lets you create and sell over 50 kinds of products with no upfront cost. They handle everything from printing to shipping to customer service. It's really look like similar with Amazon merch, right? You just sell, design, and Teespring settle all other service for you, and you just sit down, collect money, and relax. One tip for guys: you can create a design, upload to Amazon merch and Teespring with no double up your words. You just do one time work but can sell in 2 different platforms. Save your time, save your energy by doing this. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an online sales tactic that lets product owners increase sales by allowing other marketers to promote their product by paying a certain commission for every successful transaction. You no need to create any product to start earn money. All you need just to focus, just bring traffic to the owner website or funnels. Don't worry about how to close client, how to shipping product after sales service, all is done by the owner. Choose the product to promote. You can go to ClickBank, Amazon Associate Program, or JVZoo. Let's take a look on ClickBank. There's a lot offer on the platform. You can choose what you like to promote. I always focus on one product to promote first. Let's take fitness niche to promote. Click on here and generate the affiliate links. This link is for people click on it and go through the owner funnels. If the people click on your links and purchase some things, then the owner will pay commission to you. After we choose the product we want to promote, next we need to choose what platform we want to promote the affiliate products. You can choose a free method or pay method to promote, but today's video I just talk about free method to do affiliate marketing. YouTube is the best choice for beginner to stick with it. You can create the video related to the product that you choose and provide value to your audience. After that, you put the link into the description of the videos. Thank you guys watching my videos. Comment in below which method you want to choose to start your first side hustle. See you in next video.